August 6th, this button will change and the new mySITE login link will appear. So when we click on that come August 6th, we will open up to the new login experience page. So we are now on mySITE membership portal, but because you're arriving at the member portal for the first time, we will need you to head over to this second tab here to set up an account. So you will have already your active membership that has been carried over from the beginning of the year, but you just need to set up a new account to access the member portal. So you will enter in your email address here that you currently have with your membership. You will then assign a email address. So I'm just going to sign in here so everybody can see what that looks like. I need to make up a new email because we have gone through a lot of testing. And then you will be directed to the first login step of the website, which brings us through to the point of where it's going to ask you to enter your full name to ensure that I can match it with the records that we already have on the system because your membership will have been uploaded in the background. So I'm now entering my full name here and I'm going to check for an existing record and it's going to find my account and ask me, is that me? So that's the way your first login step is going to appear because you need to create your mySITE member portal account and we already have your membership active. So you don't need to purchase a new membership. You don't need to kind of go through the whole application process again. We just need you to sign in with your current details and then make sure that you are aligning your account. So when we then pick who the correct person is, we will move over to confirm all the information that's in our profile. So this will have been taken over from your current profile. So I please urge you over the next couple of weeks to make sure that you are making your profile as up to date as possible. So that means your first name, last name, company, title. What we'd really love to draw your attention to is the industry segment section that we have. This is where real value comes in for a site member. So you're listed in the member directory. It's how people can find you if they're looking to find if you're listed as an end user, if they're looking to find you as an agency or a DMC. So please make sure that your industry segment and also your sub-segment is listed appropriately. So if you are a corporate end user, you can select that and then you can actually even drop down what vertical that your company lives in there. So please make sure your industry segment and industry sub-segment is accurate. But when you do log into and match your record on the new member portal, these will all be required fields. So in order to actually access the full use of the portal, you will need to make sure that you're filling in all of this information and making sure that everything is up to date. We'll just ask you to confirm it once more so that when you are then accessing the portal for the first time, that everything is up to date. So now we are live and in mySITE. Once we have confirmed all of our membership profile information, you will be brought to the landing page. So this is what it will now look like now that your profile has been set up and connected. When you go to Site Global again the very next day and you press login, this is where you will immediately land. So you will not have to verify your profile any period forward. So when you log in and you arrive on mySITE, this is a different set of menus here than it is to Site Global. So this is all driven by your membership. So this is where we want to walk you through how this is member orientated and when you can really see the value of your membership and all the benefits that it has to offer. I just want to bring you over to the bottom of this page first. I just want to bring you down to where we have this new section here that really highlights any member benefit or member initiative that is upcoming. So this section will be updated on an ongoing basis. So Dallas mentioned that the registration will be launching for each of these events, SITE Night North America and the Young Leaders Conference. So your super early bird access to these events will be live on this page. It will be August 11th. And so you'll be able to log in here and we will have a single sign on with our CVent event registration. So once you click on this button here, you will be brought through to CVent. You pick that you're a member and it will actually autofill your event registration. So when you go to register for SiteNet North America and you access it here through the portal, you will be pre-filled in all of your registration and just asked to confirm and will validate. So one less step for everybody and no extra creation of a CVent account. It will all live within one place and the same for the Young Leaders Conference. These three areas here will be changing very frequently to make sure that we're bringing you the most up-to-date initiatives and benefits related to your membership in a timely manner. Just want to highlight these other buttons here that again are just related to the kind of hot points of your membership. You've got access to be able to manage your profile if you need to renew, the Learn Hub, which is where you access your education, your online courses, the member directory, and then donating to the SITE Foundation. So just wanted to show you the full length of the page before I dip into a couple of the tabs here. I'm going to jump in over here and go to the membership tab because that's where what we're here to talk about, how this brings value and brings everything to one place for your membership. I'm going to just jump into the membership overview. So this is really where you can see the your membership details. You're able to see the date that you joined. Is your membership status active? Do you need to renew? And your upcoming expiration date. One great thing about the new member portal is that we are able to see our chapters that we have listed, but we are actually able to update those chapters. So I know that is a frequent request at the chapter level of people wanting to be able to update their primary chapter if they have moved or they're working for a different company. So you will have the ability to update your primary chapter yourself within your own membership overview. You also will have the ability to add chapters, which I know is again, a primary function for a lot of members. So you'll be able to do that and you'll be able to see the chapters that you are active in listed here. New also in the member portal is auto renewal. So if you want to set up an auto renewal for your membership and you don't want a reminder coming in and you have to kind of go look at the credit card payment year on year, you can set up an auto renewal. So that is just running seamlessly for you and there's no break in your membership. So that is new for this year, this portal as well. If you are attached to a community, so we have a wellness community, a DEIBA community, sustainability, women in leadership, and you will be sustainability. You'll be able to access and add on your communities here. And if they are uploading documents, notes, materials related to that community, you will be able to access that content here as well. So this profile, Dallas, who was our head of membership on the call, he has joined the wellness community and he can see notes that are related to that specific community. This section would not appear if he didn't select his interest in the community on his profile. And you have the ability to access your chapters and communities from this button here. To make a donation when you were signed in with your membership to the foundation. So you can navigate over here and make a donation. So here it will list out the funds that are applicable for you to be able to make a donation to. So that again is a one-time, or you can sign up for a give monthly. So the SITE Foundation will live within here as well. We also do have a swag store, a merchandise that is a jump off from here as well. It lives on another website. So our swag store is sitting there. So it's kind of really bringing all of the SITE membership benefits into this top tab here to make sure that you're able to access anything that is related to your membership. Then in the footer here, just wanted to draw your attention to something which is the Career Center. So again, please make sure that you're accessing the full length and breadth of this portal. We really are trying to bring all of your membership benefits into one place. My financial overview. So we can jump in here to have a look at the invoices. So you can see ones that are open and ones that have already been paid. So you can access your invoices here to be able to pass on to your own accounts departments. And again, so if I was to click on any of these invoices, it would load them and have the product description, the unit price, and the address, and it is printable. So we have all of your invoices listed in one place. You can also then choose to make a payment if the balance is open. So that is that section as well.